everybody, I hope you're having a nice day. So I'm here today to welcome Esma into our pattern collection. This is our new pattern for the month. Esma is meant to be the easy summer dress, easy to sew, easy to fit and easy to wear. So let's start with the sewing. She is easy to sew, she's a perfect pattern for a confident beginner, and I'm going to talk you through how she's constructed. She's easy to fit because she's a jersey dress, so really is limited, fitting issues are limited, and she's easy to wear because this dress would work for work, it would work for going shopping, it would work for meeting a friend for lunch or for dinner. I really would wear this dress for loads of occasions, so I feel like she's just that kind of dress that you can just put on and you're done. Maybe you'll mix up the shoes or something, or accessorise it differently, but you basically can use this dress for every occasion in the summer. So let's go back to the sewing and talk about what is involved with the Esma dress, and rather the details. So starting at the top here, you can see that it's got a neckband, so it's just an easy to sew on neckband, no fiddly binding. And then we've got a little cap sleeve, again easy to insert those. Then we've got a waistband, and that's just to kind of give a nice definition to your waist. We've then got gathers, we have got pockets, but that's really quite simple, and the rest of the dress is pretty much just sort of straight seams. So it's a really easy dress to sew up. For those of you that are quite experienced, you're going to be able to sew this up in half a day. For others, it wouldn't be anywhere more than a day. It really is an easy pattern. I am wearing one made out of viscose jersey, and we have got this fabric in stock. Well, certainly we did when I started filming it, so hopefully we still have. And but you can also make it out of cotton jersey, and we'll just switch in some photos now. So you'll see a photo of Holly in this dress, and also in our stripy jersey, which is a cotton jersey. And just maybe note that the stretch is slightly different in a cotton jersey, so it does mean that the neckline's quite high, because it just doesn't stretch in the same way around the neckline. And then bamboo jersey for the yellow version that Chantel is in, that would also work, as would modal jersey. So you really can use it for all your jerseys, and even a lightweight French terry would also work. And in fact, this light grey stripy one of Holly, that is also another sample in French terry. So the fit issues, going on to that. So in our extended size range, this is like all of our patterns now, they come from size 6 to size 30, and in the size 18 to 30 you will get a bust dart in there, which will make it easier to shape over your bust. But it really is easy to fit because it is just a jersey dress. Obviously this is close fitting, but you know that jersey will stretch over most things, and having that bust dart in the larger sizes is a massive help. We have got a waist belt here and waist sort of band here. It's important to note that I should say that this was made for Holly, who is a size 8, well actually a bit smaller than that, but this is a size 8, and so this is a little bit too short in the waist for me. And this seam here is meant to sit on your natural waist, so do make sure that you check the lengths of the bodice and lengthen it if you are not finding that that's going to sit in your natural waist. I probably, in the kind of neck size up that I would make, it would be sitting a bit lower on me. On the pockets here, really nice and simple pockets. There's nothing obviously fit issue wise there, but what I did want to point out is the fact that I've concentrated the gathers in this pattern in this section. That makes it nice and pretty, but it doesn't add any extra to the hip. And that's something you've got to be careful with gathers, that if you have too many gathers around the waist, you can end up creating a kind of bigger hip situation. But this is nice and smooth at the hips, and just got those pretty gathers there, and also at the back. So the next thing is wearing it. As I said, it's so easy to wear, and I'm going to do my normal how to style it on IGTV, so make sure you watch that. But it really is a lovely easy pattern to wear, and very, very versatile. So I've talked about the fabrics, I've talked about, I haven't talked about the lengths. So she comes in 3 lengths, and you may have seen that in the photos that we just put into the video, but you've got a short length, so kind of beach skirt length, you've got a knee length, and we've also got a midi length. and I'm planning on making a maxi skirt length in the sew along when I do that. The sew along, I think it's on the 28th of July. I think that's the right, no, it's on the Thursday, and then again on the 5th of August, and we'll put all those details in the description box below, so you can make sure you pop that in your diary. So that is it. I think that's everything that I've got to say about the Esma dress, but I can't wait to see all your versions out there. Our wonderful pattern insiders have already started filling up our hashtags, so search for hashtag SOI Esma dress, and you will be able to see what they have made already, and hopefully you guys will be adding to that so we can all be inspired by your makes as well. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss any other announcements, and I'll see you really soon. Bye!